everybody. It's Stephanie with Coco and Allie Crafting Page. So y'all, I have a really fun craft for tonight. And I'm using, I don't know if you can see, but it's one of those Dollar Tree cooling racks. It's the metal one from Dollar Tree. Bandanas, and you get 2 in a package from Dollar Tree, and they come like red and blue or white and blue or red and white. And so what I did was I had my husband cut them while I was tying them on here, but I made I used these, we cut them, and I'm going to show you how we cut them, and made a rag flag out of them, and I'll show you how to cut them and tie them on here. I'm going to show y'all how I cut them, and how I tied them on here, and go over that with y'all. I did most of it already because I didn't want y'all to have to sit here and watch me tie a bunch of rags on here. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your, and this is what the package looks like. They're from Dollar Tree. You get 2 of them. You're going to take your bandana, and they're not like that normal cotton. They feel different. I don't know what they're made out of. Not that it matters. Oh, they're polyester. So you're going to take your bandana and you're going to fold it in half and then just cut it lengthwise like that. See how I've got it folded in half? And I used pinking shears to do my cutting. You can use regular scissors though. It doesn't matter. And then after that, you're going to fold it in half again and cut it. And y'all, if you love what I'm doing, make sure you sprinkle it. And make sure you're following my page so you can see all my stuff. So then you have it like that. Then you're going to cut it in half one more time. Well, really 2 more times. So you're cutting it into 8ths, basically, if that makes sense, y'all. So in half, in half, in half, in half, basically. So then you have pieces like this. Then you just take them and you just cut them like in 1-inch strips once you have your pieces like this. And I'll show you. Just take it and you're going to cut a 1-inch strip. Whoops, that one's a little wider. They do not have to be perfect, y'all. As I always tell y'all, it does not have to be perfect. It just has to be cute. So do not worry. I don't measure. I just eyeball it 1 inch and cut them. And so they end up being about 5 inches long. Okay, so what I did was I took, like I said, the cooling, this is the front side of it. You don't see the cooling rack, but I want y'all to see the back of it. But you take your cooling rack, and the way I did it was, there's 12 rows across, you know, the metal rows from top to bottom. You start on the top with your red, and then skip 1, and then white, and go all the way down doing that, red and white, for your stripes. And then over here on this side, you're going to go, you see there's, I don't know if you can see, but there's lines that go vertical as well as the ones that go horizontal. You want to fill it about 1.5 ways. So like halfway through, see how it's got that bar and that bar? You're going to fill the whole one, the whole first gap up with the blue, and then half of the second. And I did that for, let's see, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows for your blue on your flag. And all you do is once you have your strips cut, and it's better to cut a bunch of them like this. I mean, I don't need this many, but we cut them all ahead of time. I used 3 of each color, well, 3 red and 3 white, and then like 2 blue to do the whole, well, 1.5 blue really, to do the whole flag. If you want it fuller, you can make it fuller and you can use more than that. So you just take it, and there's a couple ways you can do this, but the easiest way that I have found to do it is you take it and you put it on there like that, and then you just tie it in a knot. Just one knot like that. And then push it over, and you just keep doing that. And you make it as full as you want it. Just tie it on there and push it over, and just keep going until you get it, you know, as full as you wanted it. Oh. So you just keep doing that until you know, it's the way you want it. Just put it through and pull it up and tie it in a knot. Well, not really a knot, you just tie it one time. And you just keep on going. So, So, anyway, I hope y'all are understanding how I did that. You just tie them on there. And then once you know, get to your color, just red, white for the stripes. What I do once I finish, you know, that row or whatever, I just fluff it up. And then you have a cute little flag. You just fluff it, and if you feel like you need more pieces, you know, somewhere you can add them or whatever. But it's so cute. I love it. Yeah, I like it. Anyway, that's it, y'all. So simple, so simple. Again, that's the back of it. That's the front of it. This is the label from the bandanas. If you can see that. Everything came from Dollar Tree. Literally, all you need is a pair of scissors, the bandanas, and the cooling rack. That's it. So, easy peasy. Anybody can do this. So, y'all have a good Saturday night. Do something you enjoy, or watch something on TV you like or something. And I will be seeing y'all again tomorrow.